The Industry Excellence Program was really, really good. It's sort of combining knowledge with hands-on experience. My expertise is in performance management, reducing complexity in companies. I believe you should give back to students. So I've always been in sort of this training field. Really fascinating to watch how engaged the students are. I mean, they give all of their heart blood, I would say, to these cases. And what I really like is they also have different individual approaches. So I always say, please mentor your students or your employees in a way that they will shoot past you and be there when they make mistakes. If they're not allowed to make mistakes, they will never further themselves. So that's really important for me. We have a demographic situation where now 2030 approximately, a lot of people will be going into pension and you are losing this bio knowledge. It is really important to transfer bio knowledge from company to young people that don't have that bio knowledge. And that's why it's so important that the industry works with the young people. And of course, recruiting. Recruiting is great. If you're great in my projects, if I can mentor you and I see you have a special ability, I can of course immediately speak to you.